Bitcoin update, April 4th, 2025. After our last analysis, Bitcoin moved perfectly to the upside and successfully broke the resistance level. As I mentioned earlier, the price is heading toward the 100,000 mark. Now, let's take a deeper look into the chart and explore what could happen next. I've highlighted the key levels using arrows and will explain each step clearly. Arrow 1, the 100k level, is the main destination of our current move. It's a very critical point. When the price reaches this level, Bitcoin will likely decide its next direction. A breakout above 100k with strong volume could lead to an explosive move higher. However, there's also the chance that the price could accumulate around this zone before making a decisive move, either up or down. Arrow 2. This arrow points to a strong resistance zone based on the previous high. Bitcoin touched this level and bounced back from the dotted yellow line. There are three more dotted yellow lines below, which could now act as strong support levels. Arrow 3. This is a daily support level. Over the last 3 days, this line acted as resistance. Now that the price is above it, it may come back to retest this area. A successful retest could push the price higher again. Keep in mind, there's also the possibility of a fake breakout before the next move. Arrow 4. This is an important support level based on the last major bullish move. It could provide a solid base during any retracement. Arrow 5. This arrow marks another key support level on the monthly time frame. In the past, Bitcoin broke this level with strong volume. It's likely we'll see a retest here too. Definitely a level to watch. Arrow 6. This yellow line was a key indicator in our last analysis. It helped us confirm the bullish momentum and remains relevant in the current market structure. Summary: Bitcoin remains bullish overall. After the strong rally from 87,000 to 98,000, we may now see a short term retracement. On Monday, the price might push toward the 100k level. And from there, we could enter a pullback phase before the next bullish wave begins. During this potential retracement, pay close attention to altcoin trades. With Bitcoin dominance at around 65%, a pullback in BTC could result in double-digit drops in altcoins, offering another opportunity to re-enter at better levels. That's my current analysis. For more real-time insights and detailed breakdowns on demand, join my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Links are in the description. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Crypto trading is highly volatile and involves risk. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.